Welcome to Eye-Catching Tech. Today, we're diving into the future of personal transportation with 15 groundbreaking vehicles set to revolutionize how we move. Let's explore. Afreda S6. Introducing the Afreda S6 electric tricycle bike, a revolutionary solution for urban commuting and outdoor adventures. With its compact folding design, this three-wheel fold-in-one e-bike offers unparalleled convenience and portability. Powered by a high-speed brushless motor delivering 500 watt, the S6 ensures swift acceleration and smooth rides. Equipped with a 48-volt 15.6 ampere-hour battery, it boasts an impressive range of 30 to 35 kilometers per charge, making it ideal for daily commutes or leisurely rides. Safety is paramount with front and rear hydraulic disc brakes, ensuring reliable stopping power in any situation. The 14-inch hydraulic brake shock absorption system enhances ride comfort and stability over various terrains. With a top speed of 20 to 35 kilometers per hour, LCD display for easy monitoring, and versatility as an outdoor golf cart or RV companion, the Afreda S6 redefines urban mobility with style and innovation. Metro Mobility Max Plus. The Metro Mobility Max Plus, your ultimate companion for urban exploration and daily commutes. Equipped with a robust 300-watt motor, this mobility scooter offers a seamless riding experience with a maximum forward speed of 5 miles per hour, ensuring swift navigation through city streets. With a driving range of 10 miles per charge, it provides ample mileage for your daily adventures. Enhanced with rear suspension, the Max Plus delivers a smooth and comfortable ride over various terrains, minimizing bumps and vibrations. Its plush 3.94-inch thick seat ensures optimal comfort during extended journeys. Safety is prioritized with front and rear LED lights, illuminating your path and enhancing visibility in low-light conditions. Whether you're running errands or exploring the city, the Metro Mobility Max Plus combines power, comfort, and safety to elevate your mobility experience. Inmotion RS. Unveiling the cutting-edge Inmotion RS, a game-changer in the realm of electric scooters. Boasting dual 2,000 watts motors, this high-performance marvel propels riders to exhilarating speeds of up to 110 kilometers per hour, setting new standards in e-scooter capabilities. Its innovative transforming system redefines versatility and convenience, adapting seamlessly to various urban environments. Powered by a potent 72-volt 40 ampere-hour battery with 21,700 cells, the RS delivers an impressive range of up to 160 kilometers on a single charge, ensuring extended journeys without compromise. Whether you're seeking adrenaline-pumping rides or efficient urban mobility, the Inmotion RS emerges as the epitome of power, range, and adaptability, reshaping the landscape of electric transportation with its unparalleled performance and futuristic design. Infinite Machine P1. The futuristic Infinite Machine P1 electric scooter, a sleek marvel reminiscent of Judge Dredd's Lawmaster, embodying Cybertruck-style aesthetics. This electric scooter merges bold design with cutting-edge performance. With a peak power output of 12 kilowatt, it delivers exhilarating speeds of up to 55 miles per hour, redefining urban commuting with its unmatched agility. Its impressive 60-mile range ensures extended journeys without compromise, offering both speed and endurance. Crafted from a blend of aluminum and steel, the P1 combines durability with lightweight construction, guaranteeing reliability for daily use. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring new horizons, the Infinite Machine P1 stands as a testament to innovation, offering riders a glimpse into the future of electric mobility with its striking design and unparalleled capabilities. Icoma Tatamel Bike. Icoma, a pioneering hardware startup, introduces the innovative Tatamel bike, revolutionizing urban mobility with its transformative design and multifunctional capabilities. This groundbreaking bike not only offers convenient transportation but also serves as a power supply source, eliminating the need for dedicated parking spaces. Equipped with a powerful motor rated at 600 watts, with a maximum output of 2,000 watts, The Tatamel bike delivers impressive performance while maintaining energy efficiency. Powered by a lithium iron phosphate battery, it ensures reliable operation with minimal environmental impact. With a maximum speed of 45 km per hour and a range of 30 km, riders can effortlessly navigate city streets while reducing their carbon footprint. Embodying versatility and sustainability, the Icoma Tatamel bike represents a bold step towards reimagining urban mobility and energy consumption. Duhan iTank. Introducing the Duhan iTank, a revolutionary three-wheeled electric scooter designed to redefine urban commuting. With its dual front wheels, the iTank offers unparalleled stability and safety, ensuring a smooth ride even on uneven surfaces. Powered by a high-quality LG lithium battery, it guarantees reliability and longevity, allowing riders to travel with confidence. Equipped with a robust 1490-watt Bosch motor, the iTank delivers impressive performance, enabling speeds of up to 25 km per hour in first gear. With a maximum range of 45 km, riders can explore the cityscape without worrying about recharging frequently. Combining cutting-edge technology with ergonomic design, the Duhan iTank sets a new standard for electric scooters, offering an efficient, eco-friendly, and exhilarating mode of transportation for urban dwellers. Microlino 2.0. Introducing the Microlino 2.0 urban mobility with its innovative blend of motorcycle agility and car convenience. This compact marvel offers space for 2 adults and an impressive capacity for 3 beer crates, making it the perfect companion for urban adventures. With its easy parking and the ability to cross-park and exit directly onto the sidewalk, navigating crowded city streets has never been simpler. Powered by a 100% electric engine, the Microlino 2.0 boasts 0 emissions and a remarkable 228 km maximum range. Despite its small size, it reaches a maximum speed of 90 km per hour, ensuring a swift and efficient commute. What sets it apart is its exceptional energy efficiency, requiring 65% less energy during both production and driving compared to traditional cars. The Microlino 2.0 represents a greener, smarter, and more sustainable future for urban transportation. OneWheel Pint X. Introducing the OneWheel Pint X, the ultimate blend of compact design and powerful performance for thrill seekers and commuters alike. This cutting-edge board boasts unparalleled versatility, effortlessly gliding across various terrains with its compact size and agile maneuverability. Equipped with a hypercore brushless motor delivering 750 watt of power, the Pint X ensures an exhilarating ride every time. With a top speed of 29 km per hour and a typical range spanning from 19 to 29 km, it offers both speed and endurance for your adventures. Whether you're cruising through city streets or exploring off-road trails, the OneWheel Pint X provides an unmatched riding experience. Embrace the freedom of movement with this state-of-the-art board, where innovation meets excitement on every journey. Moto Parilla Carbon. Introducing the Moto Parilla Carbon, an electric bike engineered to conquer any terrain with ease. Its formidable 250-watt Bafang motor delivers unparalleled power, effortlessly ascending hills while maintaining impressive speed. Crafted with a lightweight carbon and aluminum frame, it offers both strength and agility for the ultimate riding experience. Equipped with Tektro Origa hydraulic brakes for reliable stopping power, the Moto Parilla Carbon ensures safety and control on every journey. With a range spanning from 50 to 80 kilometers and a maximum speed of 25 kilometers per hour, it provides ample endurance and velocity for extended rides. Whether you're navigating urban streets or exploring rugged trails, this electric bike delivers unmatched performance and versatility. Embrace the future of cycling with the Moto Parilla Carbon, where power, precision, and style converge for an exhilarating ride every time. Halfbike II. The Halfbike II is revolutionizing urban commuting with its innovative design, blending the agility of a bicycle with the ease of a Segway. Crafted with precision from aerospace-grade aluminum, its lightweight frame ensures durability and maneuverability on city streets. The high-quality water-resistant beech plywood handlebar adds a touch of elegance to its functionality. Equipped with a Sturmy Archer hub featuring 3 internal gears, the Halfbike II offers smooth transitions and optimal performance for any terrain. Whether cruising through crowded streets or navigating tight corners, riders can experience unparalleled control and stability. With its sleek design and advanced engineering, the Halfbike II is redefining the way we move in urban environments. Say goodbye to traditional commuting and embrace the future of personal transportation with this pedal-powered marvel. GoBoat 2.0 Stealth. Introducing the GoBoat 2.0 Stealth, a game-changer in the world of motorized boats. Unrivaled in its lightweight and compact design, this rugged personal watercraft is virtually impenetrable and conveniently fits into a bag, offering unparalleled portability and convenience. Crafted with fishermen in mind, the Stealth is equipped with a thrust motor powered by a 30-ampere-hour lithium battery, ensuring reliable performance and extended use on the water. With its 5-speed motor, users can effortlessly cruise at 5 miles per hour, providing the perfect balance of speed and control for anglers seeking their next catch. Whether you're exploring remote fishing spots or simply enjoying leisurely rides on the water, the GoBoat 2.0 Stealth offers unmatched versatility and reliability. Experience the freedom of boating like never before with this groundbreaking innovation. Pony 4. Meet the Pony 4, the epitome of lightweight, comfortable, and incredibly stable transportation. Engineered for safety and convenience, it features reliable drum brakes ensuring smooth stops even in challenging conditions. Crafted with a lightweight chromo frame, it strikes the perfect balance between durability and maneuverability, making it ideal for urban commutes or leisurely rides. Whether navigating busy city streets or cruising along scenic pathways, the Pony 4 offers unparalleled comfort and control. Its innovative design and sturdy construction guarantee a smooth and enjoyable riding experience for users of all ages. Say goodbye to cumbersome transportation options and hello to effortless mobility with the Pony 4. Experience the freedom of the open road like never before with this versatile and reliable companion. DC Tri. Introducing the DC Tri, a revolutionary stand-up e-trike designed to meet your every need and exceed expectations. Engineered with precision and built to the highest standards, this remarkable e-trike offers an exhilarating ride without the need for pedaling. With its highly maneuverable design and impressive zero-turning radius, navigating crowded streets or tight spaces has never been easier. Powered by a 250-watt motor, the DC Tri reaches speeds of up to 25 kilometers per hour, covering distances of up to 50 kilometers on a single charge. Its 5-mode controller with LCD screen allows for customizable riding experiences, while its eco-friendly design ensures guilt-free transportation. Experience the thrill of riding with the utmost safety and comfort thanks to the high-quality suspension system. Say goodbye to the limitations of traditional bikes and scooters and embrace the future of urban mobility with the DC Tri. Immotor GO. Introducing the Immotor GO, the epitome of portability and convenience in personal transportation. This sleek and discreet vehicle is designed to be the most portable option on the market, collapsing effortlessly for easy storage and transportation. Despite its compact size, the Immotor GO is hyper-intelligent and remarkably easy to ride, offering users a fast and efficient mode of travel. Powered by 2 150-watt batteries, it boasts a top speed of 20 miles per hour and a range of 20 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for urban commutes or leisurely rides. With a payload capacity of 300 pounds and 3 convenient travel modes to choose from, the Immotor GO adapts to your needs with ease. Experience the ultimate combination of convenience, intelligence, and speed with the Immotor GO, the future of personal mobility. VOOK E-Trike. Embark on endless adventures with the VOOK E-Trike, a cutting-edge vehicle designed to redefine mobility. Powered by dual 1,000-watt motors, it delivers unparalleled performance and acceleration, allowing riders to reach speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. With an impressive range of 110 miles on a single charge, the VOOK E-Trike ensures you can explore far and wide without worrying about running out of power. Crafted with an aluminum frame, it combines durability with style, making it a sleek addition to any journey. Equipped with advanced features such as a GPS system and anti-theft protection, along with keyless access, the VOOK E-Trike offers convenience and security like never before. Whether you're commuting through the city or embarking on weekend getaways, the VOOK E-Trike is your ticket to unforgettable experiences on the road.